Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to restore and backup WhatsApp messages on Android. Alright, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. So first up, open up WhatsApp. And once done, go to the top right, tap on the three dots right here. And tap on settings, scroll down, tap on chats, scroll all the way down and tap on chat backup. Right here, just go ahead and tap on backup. And make sure that you have set up your email right here. Okay, so tap on backup, and once that's done, you're done backing up your chats. Okay, just don't forget to include images or media if asked. Okay, now to restore it, it's pretty easy. You can just go back right here, tap on three dots, settings again, chats, scroll all the way down and transfer chats. Okay, start right here, allow. If you have other phones, okay, if you want to transfer it to another phone, just tap on allow right here, follow simple prompts and you're good to go. Now, if you are trying to reinstall WhatsApp on another device, or even if this specific device right here, it will just ask you to sign in with the same phone number or Google account. Then just go out and verify your phone or email. Then there will be a prompt. Okay, it will ask you to restore. Okay, so just basically tap on restore, and once done, all of your chats will be restored. That is it. That's how simple it is to restore and back up your WhatsApp messages here on an Android device. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.